How to recover TikTok streak. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to recover your TikTok streak, you can tap open your TikTok application in your device. So if you have somehow lost your streak due to inadequate chatting with your friends and wish to recover, just tap on the profile icon. Head over to Settings and Privacy, and from here scroll down until you find the option of Report a Problem. It would be under the option of Support. So tap on Report a Problem. In here you can type in that you have lost all of your TikTok streak and give them a definite reason why. You can also upload a screenshot regarding it. Sometimes it might also be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In that case, press and hold on to your TikTok app and head to App Info. For stop it, head over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. Also check for an update. Open up your Play Store and search for TikTok in your search bar. If there is an update button, simply leave your application for an update. By following this way, you might be able to recover your TikTok streak. Just make sure that you constantly chat with the person, whether it is video messaging or simple chat, because the way to maintain your streak is to continue the conversation with the person. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.